Hey guys, Lucy here, today to bring you a video about one of my very favorite stores, Dirt Cheap. I love Dirt Cheap because they really live up to their name. They have all kinds of merchandise, new stuff in the packaging, shoes, clothes, home decor, linens, all kinds of stuff for you and your family's needs for, you guessed it, absolutely dirt cheap. They've got these entire baskets filled with merchandise that you can buy the entire basket for $10. The catch is it's a surprise what all is inside of it. There's all sorts of things listed for a certain price, but there's discounts being taken on pretty much almost everything is going to be 50% off, 40% off. Some of it's even 90% off. I'd like to get a head start on my Halloween shopping. Halloween and fall are definitely my favorite times of the year, and they are stocked full of a lot of Halloween stuff right now. Definitely encourage you to go check it out, see everything that they've got. All right, guys, let's see the damage of all the stuff I bought today at Dirt Cheap. So let's recap my receipt here. It looks like I got discounts on absolutely everything I bought, minus the shoes. The shoes were listed for $12 and I bought them for $12. Really actually very excited about the shoes. I'm not mad at all that I spent $12 on them. I think they'll look really cute in the fall. I got a lot of awesome Halloween decorations here, and I also got some spiral notebooks for my kiddos. The spiral notebooks were actually listed for 40 cents a piece, and I bought 5 of them for $2. So if you're doing that back to school shopping, I would definitely recommend checking out Dirt Cheap before you go to Walmart or even Dollar Tree, as Dirt Cheap is beating those prices. So the other thing I got that was listed for $1 were the trick-or-treat bags and those server trays. I do see a lot of those at Dollar Tree. At Dirt Cheap, they're listed for $1, but they're 50% off. So I got each of those things for 50 cents a piece. So I spent a total of $2 for the 2 trays and the 2 trick-or-treat bags. The tablecloth was listed for $4 and it was 50% off, so I got the tablecloth for $2. That cute witch projector was listed for $14.97. I got it for $7.49, so that was listed as 50% off. I got some more Halloween stuff that was listed for $2, and that was those 2 glittery signs, the glittery hairspray, and the mask. Each of those things was listed for $2, and that was listed for 50% off. So I got each of those things for $1. I paid $4 in total for those items. And then I got the cute wipe your feet Halloween mat was listed for $5. It was 50% off, and I got it for $2.50. So I spent a total of $31.99. My tax was $2.64. The total that I paid today was $34.63. I think not bad for getting a head start on my Halloween decorations, some cute fall shoes, and then even some school supplies. I think I made out really, really well. If you feel like this video brought you any value, if you could just give it a like, and those thumbs up means a lot to us. If you could subscribe to our channel, that would mean a lot to us as well. We appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.